Hi, Kevin, Thailand here. Well, this week is Big Bike Week in Big Bike 2016 Pattaya, and it's a huge festival, Hell's Angels from everywhere, and they're just doing a procession and we're here to watch. Here it comes now. That's not all of them. When we go into the showground, it's amazing. There is everything there, so let's go and have a look around. We're now eventually going in after sitting out there watching stuff coming in and out. And does that look comfortable, all right to you? Looks all wrong. Was a chimpanzee on a roller bar fire, doesn't he? But there you go, let's have a look around. Come on in. Sure what all the Red Indian stuff and teepees are about, but there's a lot of it. There is a lot of it. Oh, yeah, I asked how much this was last night. How much? 12,000 baht, £240. Oh, this man is still drinking. He was drinking last night. He said he was drunk. I said, you fucking must be at that money. But there you go. Hell's Angels and Indians. I should think quite a lot of cowboys. But they put on a good show here. It's a good day out. It really is. They'll show you a lot more bikes and stuff. And no axes, but definitely a lot of choppers. I love a chopper. It's a light frame on a massive engine. Yeah, that's more my stamp, that one. That one will do me. That all I can ride. look a little bit like that.
สายโคราชก็มา
แต่จริงๆแล้ววิโรจน์ท่านรู้เรื่องราวเบื้องหลังการทำงานนะงานนี้มันเป็นเหมือนงานของทุกคนเลยเรื่องราวของพวกเราคนไทยที่เพราะเราจะมีเพื่อนบ้านเรามาจากหลายประเทศนะมันก็เหมือนกับพวกเราทุกคนเป็นเจ้าของงานเป็นเจ้าของบ้านหลังนี้กันช่วยกันดูแลอะไรที่คิดว่าทำแล้วมันสวยทำแล้วทำให้อารมณ์มันสุนทรีหรืออะไรหลายๆอย่างเป็นที่ถือว่า
with the rotating gun
สบายๆร่วมแรงร่วมใจคนเล็กน้อยนะครับก็ไม่เหนื่อย
Awesome alright mate how are you you're looking a bit grumpy Chonburi
คนที่รักมอเตอร์ไซค์จริงๆนะครับพวกเราก็รักมอเตอร์ไซค์เหมือนกันนะครับพี่น้องทุกท่านด้วยเลยนะครับเราไม่ต้องเรียนนะครับรถลายเยอะมากขับขี่ด้วยความปลอดภัยมอเตอร์ไซค์
That looks comfortable. Long. 50,000 baht, that's about £19,000. So if you want to go out and kill yourself the weekend, that's how much you can pay to do it. What it is. It's got a little Honda 2-cylinder engine. From the chop shop, Sawn Chop Shop, whatever that means. Got a convertible for the weekend. Good on fuel. Or some monsters that they've made up. One for the kid, your little boy can ride with you. trying to get a nosy. One there for Jeff Carter. Here he likes a Chang. He'd love it here then. Chang everywhere. No idea what that's about. Still coming in, coming through. Stop. There's a nice one. Bigger. Here's something to show you. I've never seen one in the UK at any sort of festivals or do's. But the bank here have a mobile little van with the ATM machine. A good little idea for a festival. You run out of money, you pop over to the van, join the queue. Can't get any money, ask them for a hot dog. Yeah, why not? Well, it reversed out, it's got reverse. Other than number 11, you any ideas what it is? Have a look. It's a Triumph Norton. Yes, at last. So if it is, I've no idea about motorbikes, but I have to believe them.